Hi, my name's Jackie and welcome to Baby Rhyme Time at Moreton Bay Libraries. Today we'll be singing some Baby Rhyme Time songs with my little friend Polly. First, let's begin with our Acknowledgement of Country. Here we go. Here is the land and here is the sky. Here are my friends and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up, hands down, we're on gubby gubby ground. Okay, we're going to do a hello tickle now. So here we go, Polly, are you ready? A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high, arms go low, a great big hug to say hello. Okay, and we're going to say hello again with our song, Well, Hello Everybody. We're going to begin by touching our noses, then we're going to touch our toes, we're going to pat our heads, and we're going to rub our tummies. Here we go. Well, hello everybody, can you touch your nose? Touch your nose, touch your nose. Well, hello everybody, can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Well, hello everybody, can you touch your toes? Touch your toes, touch your toes. Well, hello everybody, can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Well, hello everybody, can you pat your head? Pat your head, pat your head. Well, hello everybody, can you pat your head? Pat your head. Last one. Well, hello everybody, can you rub your tummy? Rub your tummy, rub your tummy. Well, hello everybody, can you rub your tummy? Rub your tummy. Thanks for that, Polly, you did a great job. Okay, we're going to sing one of my favourite songs now, and it's Galumph went the little green frog. Here we go. Galumph went the little green frog one day. Galumph went the little green frog. Galumph went the little green frog one day, and the frog went glump, glump, glump. But we all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go glump, glump, glump. Great job. Okay, we're going to sing one of our scarf songs now, and this one is called The Fish in the Sea. So our fish are first going to swish around, then our dolphins are going to swim round and round. The sea is going to drift down, and the waves are going to go up and down. Here we go. The fish in the sea goes swish, 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 swish. The fish in the sea goes swish, swish, swish all day long. The dolphins in the sea swim round and round, round and round, round and round. The dolphins in the sea swim round and round all day long. The sand in the sea drifts down, 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 down. The sand in the sea drifts down, down, down all day long. The waves in the sea go up and down, up and down, up and down. The waves in the sea go up and down all day long. Okay, I'm going to get Polly back to help me with this one. We're going to sing Round and Round the Garden. So everyone have your palms out, and we're going to get our fingers, and here we go. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickle you under there. Here we go again. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickle you under there. Very good. Did you like those tickles? Very good. Okay, we're coming to the end of our baby rhyme time now, so we're going to go with Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. If you've got a young bub, feel free to turn them around to face you so they can focus on you. Here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And to finish off our baby rhyme time, we're going to have our goodbye tickle. Here we go. A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low, arms go high, a great big hug to say goodbye. Thanks for coming everyone. We'll see you next time at Baby Rhyme Time.